So now I'm going to move on to gladioli. So these are butterfly gladioli, so they are smaller and shorter than the giant ones, so they're perfect for borders and containers. The giant ones are sort of perfect for back of the border. You could probably bring these a little bit closer to the front because they're not as tall. The height is about 60 centimetres. Spacing wise, you don't have to space these as far apart as everything else that I've done so far. It's about 15 centimetres, so I can get away with putting a few more across here at the back. Gladioli corms look like this. There's a flat side and a pointy side, and as a general rule of thumb, again, 2 to 3 times the size of the corm is deep enough. I'll pop one in there, and then I'm just covering it over, and then about 15 centimetres, so I'll do another one here. And I'm just moving the soil out of the way and popping it in. Okay, so these gladioli are a bit of a florist favourite because they've got sort of long, thin stems. So they're quite nice to include in your border if you can. So I'm just going to leave my trowel there so I know where I'm up to. About there. Pop another one in, and then I think I'll put one more in there. There we go. So gladioli you can plant any time from March onwards. They don't need as much protection from the frosts as begonias and dahlias do, so you can plant those straight into the border now or into containers as well.